Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to order your USPS tracking number labels, and they look like this. So I got a question about how to order these tracking labels, tracking stickers on USPS. So we're gonna do a quick tutorial on that. And also I wanna point out, someone said that they ordered some from USPS and it came to their house and all the tracking numbers are the same. But if you look closely, you can see, turn that off, the tracking numbers do look the same, right? If you look out at the last two numbers, they are different. So all the tracking numbers have the same numbers until you get to the last two numbers. So that's 73, and then this one is 80. So make sure you all read your tracking numbers. They shouldn't be all the same. If you order them in bulk, the first few numbers will be the same, but the last two will be different. We're just gonna go ahead and get into this video. All right, so this is the home page of USPS. I haven't signed in, but when you come to USPS, you want to create your account and make sure you use your physical address so they can ship your packages to you. I just want to show you all some other features that USPS has. They have click and ship, buy stamps, inform delivery, P.O. boxes, calculate a price, hold mail, zip code lookup, change my address, and schedule a pickup. I love using schedule a pickup when I'm shipping orders from home. They usually pick up the next day, ask you questions about your package, the shape, how much it weighs, and then they'll come pick it up straight from your house. That is when I have like a very, very busy day and I don't feel like going to the post office to drop off the package. All my packages are prepaid because I create them in PayPal. Mail and ship, and then you want to go to stamps and supplies. It brings up stamps, but we just want to go to supplies. So I'm just going to click supplies. We're going to scroll down. It should be here somewhere. So we're just going through looking for these bad boys right here. The USPS tracking label 400 right here. Yes. And then they're gonna show up like this. Of course, they're not gonna show you tracking numbers on there because it's very specific to the your order. So they can't show exact numbers as an example. So this is the tracking labels. And you can see it comes in a pack of 50. The SKU is label 400 and it is free. So you go ahead and add to cart, and then if you're done shopping, you can view your cart. It's gonna show you it ships in 3 to 5 business days. So it ships in 3 to 5 business days, which means you will probably get this package a little later after 3 to 5 business days. But they do come quickly. Depending on if your post office has what you ordered, they'll send it from your local post office or they'll send it from, I guess, their warehouse. So that is that. And then you click checkout. That is how you can order your tracking labels from USPS. Very simple, very easy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.